this one even the same color? Maybe this one was just... Well, hello. Today we're going to take a look at the 10th anniversary Hot Wheels belt buckle 3-pack. This is from 1978. That was 10-year anniversary. It comes with the Jaguar XJS, the 57 T-Bird, and the Hot Bird, and a special belt buckle that comes with this set. So on the back side we have a 1978 checklist and a little instruction on how to use your belt buckle. There's a lot of belts you use to be able to get snaps so you can put any belt buckle on them. Not sure how often you can find those kinds of things anymore. We'll take a look at the cars. So the one on the top is the Jaguar XJS. Brand new model for 1978. And these are all made in Hong Kong at this time. Not the most popular car out of those years. Take a look at the 57 T-Bird. You have the red, white, and blue theme. And these are really tough, even in the package, to get these without chips on the front or on the tips on the back. And the next car is the Hot Bird, based on the Trans Am. Looks a lot like the Smokey and the Bandit car. And the special belt buckle in the inside. This is what you get. Hot Wheels collector. A little bit of stamping on the inside, made in the USA. Don't see that a lot now. It's a pretty neat set. That is all you get for the 1978 10th anniversary belt buckle 3-pack. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. As you can see, this one comes out of the Larry Wood collection. See if I can get that a little better. There. It's hard to read. It even comes with maybe some Larry DNA. No, not really, but it is inside the package. It came with some little hairs in there for future preservation.